Teaching English language for beginners. Today we will start with the new tense of grammar, past perfect. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and support our channel, please. Now, the past perfect is made from the verb had and the past participle of a verb. Is a verb tense used to talk about actions that were completed before some point in the past. The past perfect tense is for talking about something that happened before something else. The past perfect tense is a tense that expresses two events that occurred in the past, but one preceded the other. We have here two examples. I had finished the homework. I had finished. Had is the verb and finished the past participle, verb 3. And he had gone. Gone is the verb 3. And before it, had verb. Now the form of past perfect. The form of past perfect tense is had plus past participle. It doesn't matter if the subject is singular or plural. The form doesn't change. Now, here we have infinitive, past perfect, and negative. In infinitive, we have some verbs like to ask, verb to work, to call, to use. The past perfect of ask had asked with adding ed, and the same thing of the another terms. Had worked and had called and had used. In negative, now how to make the past perfect negative? Insert not between had and past participle. Now, we have also some verbs. In this slide, we have to ask, to work, to call, to use. This regular verb. In this slide, we have irregular verb like verb to be, to have, to do, to say, to get, to go, to take, and to see and to come. Here the past perfect without adding ed, but change the verb in the past. Like to be, it will be had been, to have, to had, to do, had done, to say, had said, to get, had gotten, to make, had made, go and gone, taken, seen, come, like that. And the same thing in negative. We insert not between had and the past participle, or verb 3. Now how to ask question? Now the form of a question in past participle, in past perfect tense is had. We will start with had plus subject and past participle. Now this is a simple explanation for beginners to learn past perfect. I hope to be useful, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.